Isn't this the cutest little bottle you've ever seen? What's in it, you ask? Oh, just sustainable, eco-friendly, biodegradable, coconut waxed bamboo floss from Boon. This is an actual glass bottle, and inside is your bamboo floss. Why is bamboo floss better than the standard stuff, than non-bamboo floss? First of all, in terms of getting your teeth clean, it does a better job because it's got more texture. This in particular, this is no waste packaging. It's totally biodegradable, and it does a better job because the texture of the bamboo floss has a very slight grit to it that does a better job of scraping your teeth. I swear, look it up. I mentioned this is coconut waxed. It smells divine. This little ball of floss is 30 meters. 100 feet. No pesticides, nothing bad here, just good, clean bamboo and coconut wax. Anyway, here's the cute little box it came in. Adorable, reusable little glass bottle and floss that makes you feel good. I hope this was helpful.